What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video, futures daily market recap. And so I'm just gonna skip past the 1 day time frame, 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. This is what I have because all the other time frames there's just nothing. Because remember, it was just straight up, and so I don't have anything. We didn't, and the biggest pullback that we got today is this, which is in a 15-minute gap. So right into it, okay? Very simple. This is what I'm looking at. There's only this 15-minute gap and then these 5 minutes, and then 9:30 is right here. All right, so let's zoom down in the 1 minute time frame, and let's go ahead and see. Okay, so we have this candlestick here. Okay, waiting for a move to happen, and so so pre-market set us up for a good trade here. But anyway, waiting for a move to happen, and we go lower and tap this. Cool. Now we need to see what we do off of it. So we go higher. Okay, yes, here we don't get any 1 minute inverse though. Here we don't get anything. So, then I'm just waiting, I'm waiting, and wait, and let me just go ahead and see this here real quick. Oh, look, what do you look at that? Okay, cool. So here we go lower. So here we go lower, then chop around, chop around, chop around. This doesn't look clean. Then we make a big move lower, and we make a nice SMT. So we have an SMT inside of a 15-minute gap. And then we get instantaneous reaction to the upside. All right, this is kind of nice. This is kind of nice here. I'm not going to lie with you. This is kind of nice. And we have an unfilled 5 minute above. And we're also just very bullish overall. So, look at this, with three equal highs and 2 relative equal. So we have 5 total highs that are all pretty much relative equal highs. That's nice here. That is nice. So we get a 1 minute inverse. After tapping onto the 15-minute, we have 5 minute unfilled and 5 pretty much exact equal highs, equal 1 minute highs. And we're overall bullish, you already know. Stop loss is going to be placed right there. If we, after this, keep going lower, then we're just going to, chop sideways. I want to get out of this setup. So stop loss is going to go right there. And then I'm a simple 1-2-1. Now I troll you not, this exactly hit to the dot, because I go here, I go break even once we touch this, so I'm break even here, and then it hits right here. Normally this would have hit break even, right? But it didn't. We got out by a tick, but this is just the beauty of trading. This is just how it is, and then I want to just see would that be the highest time frame? Yes, yeah, that 1 minute is the highest time frame. So off of that, let's see if we can find anything else there. Let's see if there's anything to take. So yeah, I mean, okay. After that, you can just take again the same. It's honestly like it works. Like whatever, we can like sit here and be like explain like why it won't give you like the best RR, but it works. I'm talking about just the 5 minute inverse. So, you could simply literally just take this 5 minute inverse, targeting these highs, and it would work. It would work. I'm not comfortable doing that though, just because huge trade, big RR, and no solid break even point. But yeah, after that, honestly, this was the only setup that I see here. After that, we got chop. We went lower and then higher, but the higher move that we had. Okay, yeah, once we inverse these two, then you could say, all right, well, this is my new condition, this 5 minute, I'm waiting for price to tap it, see what happens. We tap it, then we go higher here, and 1 minute, yeah, after we tap it, we go higher, but the problem is this is just way too choppy, and it's now 10:30, and also there is no even 1 minute inverse. This tells you how choppy this move is, so this could be a nice like continuation long, but it doesn't look very clean. This trade is clean. This is the only clean trade. if you had your TPL elsewhere, you would have gotten break even. It is what it is. So it was a nice day. This is honestly the whole move that there was. But yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. It's short, but this is all that I saw. This is pretty much the only setup, the only like valid setup. And I'm just gonna tell you guys, when we're like trading in all-time highs, you just want to be you want to be taking like quicker trades, because there's not like many draws on liquidity. Like that's it. There's no more draws. This is the only one. That's all-time high, right? So when we're in all-time highs, you want to just wait for a pullback and then long. That's it, pretty much. You could risk taking the pullback. You could try. It would be like lower probability because you're taking a trading against the direction of the entire market. So again, just we're going up. You wait for a pullback, a nice instantaneous heavy volume inverse, and then just ride the wave, and that'll be it. 1-to-1s, you already know it. So thank you. Peace out. Boom.